Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to remove formula but keep values or data in Excel. So let's get started. So I have this particular column that has formulas in them. So if I double click any cell, you can see the formula, and also from the formula bar, you can see the formula displayed. So the big question is, how can we remove the formula but keep the values intact? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you two ways on how you can go about this. So make sure you stick around till the end. So we shall be pasting our values here so you get to see the difference between the original and what we shall be working on. So let's start with the first way. So select the values, then at the top right edge, put your cursor there until you achieve a 4-arrow pointer. Then right click your mouse as you drag to the right until you reach where you want to paste your values. Release your mouse, and then these options will pop up. Then go to copy here as values only and click on it. So you can see our values have been pasted here and they have no formula, whereas the original data has formula. So what if you want to paste the values in the same column using this method? How can you go about it? Let me just undo. So select the data, then again go to the top right edge until you achieve 4 arrows pointer, then right click as you drag to the right and return to the same column. Release your mouse and then go to copy here as values only. There you go. So you can see our values have no formula. So that's the first way. So let's go to method number 2 on how you can go about this. So again, select the values and then press Ctrl C to copy. Then if you want to paste in the same column, proceed to the next step. But if you want to paste in another column, click where you want to paste and then right click, then go to paste special and click on it, then go to values, then click OK. So you can see our values have no formula. Another shortcut for this particular method, let me show you. Let me undo. Again, what you should do, select the data, then press Ctrl C, then click here, then right click, then click this icon labeled 1, 2, 3 values, and you can see the values have no formula compared to the original ones that have formulas. So it's as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.